Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can give access to someone else to their or one of the users OneDrive access or OneDrive, right? So what does this mean is that when we have a people or someone who left the organization and we wanted to give their OneDrive access to one of the user. So it could be their managers, or it could be team member, it could be anyone from the team, or it could be any employee who was working with that particular user or employee, right? And they need some content or they need some data from their account, right? And that is when we wanted to, or we should have capability to give them access, right? And that is what I'm going to show you how we can do that, right? So let's do that, and I'm going to show you how we can provide that access. So I'm in admin center here, and you need to click on active users, and then you need to find a user. So now I'm going to find a user, as I know the name of that user account, right? So by finding the name, here is the user account that I have, and I'm going to simply click on this user account. And once I click, I this is going to show us the user profile. So now this user is blocked, sign in blocked, because let's say this user has left the organization and now we wanted to give someone access to their OneDrive, right? So I'm going to click on this, and then it is going to load a profile for this users. And once it is loaded, simply I can click on create link, right? So once I click on this link, it is going to generate a link, and from once the link is generated, I can simply copy that link, or once it is copied, maybe I can simply copy it and I'll open it in another tab. So you can see this is user's personal OneDrive, right, with the redirection of that, and then you can see the OneDrive of this user account, right? So once we see this, that means we got the access to the user's OneDrive, and if we see any folders or files, this user or the person who's or who got the access, they would be able to access all the files and folders and everything together. But now we wanted to assign a permissions to this user's OneDrive. So let's go ahead and do that. You need to click on settings tab here, and then there's a site content. Here you will see all the contents and everything together, but what we are going to do is we are going to provide access. So under the site settings, so it will open, and then from here you can people and groups, so you can add someone to this users OneDrive, right? Also, for now you can see this is the user whose OneDrive I'm trying to give access, but also you see the my account here, because as soon as I try to access it as an administrator, I got the access to this OneDrive as well. So from here I can add another user, and then simply I can provide them access. So there is a site permissions as well. So from here I can simply grant permission, and let me add a user here. Perfect. So this is the user, and I can whether send an invitation and what type of permissions I wanted to give, I can select that as well, and then share this one. So this is the real permission sharing capability for us. And once I refresh this one, this is going to show us here that I have added this user with contributor permissions. So now if this user is logged in or is logging in, then this user will get the permission of this user's OneDrive and would have all the accesses or access files and folders on those content, right? So this is how we can go ahead and do the permissions and sharing capabilities. Also, you see there are bunch of settings that we can manage as administrator, and this capability is only available to the administrators and not the end users, right? So this way we can share the someone's OneDrive access to other users, and then those people can access those files and folders and everything that we wanted them to access. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you will like it. Please do watch this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. And yep, thanks for watching. Bye for now.